Hello, Paul here from EMD. I'm just checking this brake caliper here on this car here. We done the extra booster and other stuff on this car, vacuum leak as well. All sorted out on the different videos. But today I'm going to show you. I've pushed the actual brake pads back, and then we're going to actually what we're doing now, we're going to actually start the car up so we can get vacuum and then pump the brakes and see, because what happens is if we pump the brakes, pump it up, stop, it's moving very slow, so start up, pump it up, pump it up, hard, stop, turn it off, now it's on. So all those times, how many times we pump it up? 7, 10?
Yeah, more than 10.
So we pump the brakes up more than 10 times with the ignition run, so with the engine running, so we can create vacuum for the booster, brake booster, sorry. And then it took a long time for the actual caliper piston to push the actual brake pads out to make contact with the disc. So it looks like a seized piston on this one, something wrong somewhere inside here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to make sure I've got a lot of pressure coming out of the actual line before I do anything else. But it looks like it's the pistons are seized inside there and they're not even moving out quick enough. It should be just one pump and that whole thing just pumps straight away. That piston should just go straight out and the brake pads touch the disc. It does, so that explains why this system's not, the brakes not even working properly on this car here. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.